Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. My name is Viditi and thank you for joining in today. And I'm really excited as it's the time of the year where the Nykaa Pink Summer Sale is live. This is one of the bigger sales of Nykaa. So it's a perfect time to stock up on your beauty essentials and makeup indulgences. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started. So in this video, I'm going to talk about my skincare, hair care and body care favorites. And in the next video, I will do a makeup recommendations just because it's easier and I don't have a very long video. So yeah, I'm really excited to shop this sale as well. So yeah, I have my glasses on and now without any further ado, let's get started. So yeah, I've done my research and I've just noted down all the offers which are really good, and I think you should consider purchasing it if you are looking for these products. So yeah, let's get started. So firstly we have Simple. Simple is at 40% off, so that's crazy. Anyway, Simple is really affordable, and on that if you get 40% off, it's crazy. Like, you don't have to think about it and just get the products. So my favorite is the Simple Hydrating Gel Creme and the vitamin C clay mask. So just to be clear, I have oily skin, so if you are someone with oily skin, you can definitely go for all these recommendations without thinking. So this is a very lightweight moisturizer. It's a perfect summer moisturizer. You don't feel chip or anything. It just goes into your skin without leaving anything harsh behind. You can just see the texture. It is so good. Like, your skin just drinks it up. It's that good, that hydrating, and I absolutely love it. And if it is at 40% off, just stock it up for the year because it's going to be the best deal. And after that I have this vitamin C clay mask. So I have combination to oily skin. Like in summers it does get oily, so I love this clay mask. Like after a day out in sun and pollution, I like to have like a nice pamper session, and I use this clay mask on my T-zone and on my cheeks where I get like a lot of clogged pores, and this is really good. Like, it helps to brighten up your skin, and it's just a very no fuss mask. It's a clay mask, so it's an old school mask which I absolutely love doing once in a while. So yeah, this is amazing. And yeah, Simple is no fuss clean brand. It doesn't have fragrance, it's gentle on your skin, and it's perfect. Like, you can't go wrong with it. Also, I love their face wash. This is the micellar gel face wash. Again, this is very lightweight. It just cleanses out your skin very well without drying it, like without excess drying it. So yeah, it just deeply cleanses your skin without making it tight and dry. So it's perfect for summers. It's like very refreshing. So I wash my face 3 times in the day in summers, so this is something very gentle and just refreshes my skin. Then coming to O3 Plus, I just recently got a huge tub of this O3 Plus Detan pack. Yeah, before I talk about this product further, O3 Plus is at 20% off on entire range, and you get a freebie on purchase of $9.99. So it's a good deal. 20% off on this product is really good because this is a huge tub. As you can see, like, it's so huge. It's a face detan mask. I've used it a couple of times. I got it, I think, a month or 2 back, and I've been absolutely loving it. Like, you can see it's filled with product. I've used it a couple of times. Still, it looks brand new, and it's white in color. I'm not digging in my hand because it'll get messy. So it has mint and eucalyptus in this, so it's really very calming for your skin. It just cools down your skin after a day in sun, and it detans it. It just purifies your skin and makes it even. I absolutely love it. I am thinking of using this on my body also to see how it works, but for face it is beautiful. You just apply and on your face for like 5-7 minutes and just wipe it down after that, and you just have nice, cool, refreshed skin. And obviously it helps to remove all the pigmentation and tanning. So absolutely must have in summers, and it's a good time. The sale is a good time to pick it up. Then Neutrogena is up to 40% off, and again they have free gifts on orders above $8.99. So yeah, 40% off on Neutrogena is really good. And my all-time favorite sunscreen is from Neutrogena. It's the Ultra Sheer Dry Block sunscreen. I absolutely love it. This is a travel size which I have right now, but I think this is my all-time sunscreen when I'm in no mood to try a new sunscreen, or I'm just very lost. I go to this because it just works amazing. It has SPF 50 and it is broad spectrum UVA, UVB, water and sweat resistant, no white cast. So it's just a perfect sunscreen, and on discount this is definitely worth it, because otherwise Neutrogena can be a little expensive for regular use, but on discount you should get this. I can't talk more about the sunscreen. I absolutely love it. And other thing which I love from them is also their moisturizer. So if you want like a dupe to the Clinique Moisture Surge, this is very close. This is the Neutrogena Hydro Boost water gel, and that's how it looks. I don't know, I think the sun is very direct, so but yeah, it's the water gel thing. And now they've just launched this refill pack, so you can, after you're done using this, you can just purchase the refill tub and continue using it in the same jar, which I think is really good. It is good for the environment and it's pocket friendly also. So if this is your holy grail moisturizer like it is for me, you can just buy the refill pack and be done with it. It's again a very light, gentle moisturizer which I absolutely love. So because this is almost over, I am currently using this, but I'm definitely repurchasing the simple one in the sale because it's also very good and it's more affordable. But this one again is really good. Like, it's almost very similar. This has a little fragrance, little bit to it, but honestly they both work absolutely same. So yeah, just go for this one if you're looking for a affordable one. And talking about little high-end body care, L'Occitane or L'Occitane, I don't know how do you call it, L'Occitane is giving their 10-piece sampler bestseller set on purchase of 1499, that is $1,500. So if you buy one product, one full-size product from them, you will get the 10-piece sampler, and I think one more freebie they are giving. So that's a very good deal. You get to try a lot of their products in one. So my absolute favorite is this one. This is their shower oil. So honestly, I had bought this when I was in Italy, and I bought 2 bottles of it. I've used one, and this is like still brand new, but I'm saving it to use it for the colder months because it's a shower oil, and right now I think it's a little too heavy for summers. But if you have dry skin, you will love this in summers as well because it's so nourishing. I haven't seen such a formula in a body wash in any brands. So they have killed it with the formula. It's an oil. When it comes in contact with your body and water, it turns into soap. So it's an ultra nourishing body wash, and you don't need a moisturizer after it. So if you have normal skin, you won't need a moisturizer after this. So yeah, I absolutely love it. Like, you can try this. You can try the smaller one for the sale and then see how it works. And the other thing which I absolutely love from L'Occitane is their this cleansing oil. This is the smaller size, but I absolutely love it. It emulsifies beautifully with water, and it just removes your makeup very well. So I feel L'Occitane, they do really good oil-based products. So yeah, you can try this from their range. It's a beautiful cleansing oil. It removes your makeup, it doesn't sting your eyes, and it's luxurious. Then back to affordable skincare, we have Nykaa Wanderlust, and Nykaa Wanderlust is up to 50% off. So I think it's going to be the best deal. This is their body milk in the variant Spanish olive. Yeah. Personally, I love using body milk in summers. I don't want a very heavy moisturizer, so this is perfect and it's affordable. So basically I just spray a little bit on my hands. You can see how lightweight and milky it is. It just runs on your body and it just gets absorbed very quickly. It has a beautiful scent. It is not very strong or not very like chemically. It's a nice pleasant fragrance, and it just absorbs into your body and just makes it so healthy. I don't think, yeah, it just makes it very healthy and hydrated. So yeah, at 50% off, this is going to be like a steal deal, and the product quality is really good, and for summers this is going to be perfect. Also, yeah, I forgot to mention the L'Occitane lip balm, ultra rich lip balm. It's infused with shea butter, so it's really hydrating. So I've used it, like it's almost done, and I like to use it at night. So I keep this on my nightstand, and yeah, it's a very thick, rich lip balm. You wake up with baby soft lips, and yeah, it's fancy. My packaging has become really old and dusty, but yeah, it's a really fancy lip balm. But if you're looking for an affordable lip balm, I love the Nivea one. Nivea is up to 30% off, so it's gonna be a good deal. It even has like a little tint to it, so it's a good day lip balm. So yeah, so that's the tint. Yeah, so that's the tint. It's a beautiful cherry shade. So for days, I love using this. I have nothing more to say. It's a classic Nivea lip balm, hydrates your lips and yeah, keeps them moisturized and pretty all day. So this is good, and if you get it on offer, it's amazing. Then Love Beauty Planet is on 40% off, and I love their products. Their body washes are amazing. They smell amazing on a budget, and even their hair products are really good, the shampoo and the conditioner. But my favorite is their mask, particularly this one, argan oil and lavender one is really good. It smells heavenly. Firstly, oh my god, it just smells so good. So yeah, that's how the product looks. I've used it a couple of times, but like every time I use this, my hair feels so soft. So every time I use this hair mask, my hair smells so amazing. It's so much softer to touch, so much bouncier, and it just calms the frizz, and it's the perfect hair mask. So if you're trying for a affordable, good quality hair mask, you can go for this, and at 40% off, you're gonna get worth of every penny you spend. So yeah, this is guys amazing. I have a product from Claire's. Claire's is at flat 20% off, and this is their Midnight Blue Calming Cream. I think I've featured this in multiple videos, but this is by far my favorite calming cream. I have not seen a lot of people talk about it, but this is so good. So as you can see, it's a blue cream. So I love using this when I have been out in the sun all day. So at night I just apply it on the cheeks where it's become red, or you know, it's burning. I apply there and it just calms my skin. Absolutely love it. So this is an absolutely must have if you're traveling or going to a beach vacation. This is going to help you soothe your sunburns. Then I have a couple of random favorites. Firstly, I have this Venus Bikini Sensitive razor. So I just got a new pack of it because I lost mine. I forgot mine at my mom's house. So I just got a new one for here. This is the Bikini Sensitive razor. I have been shaving since like 10 years now, so I've used almost all brands available in the market, but if you're looking for a bikini razor, this is the best one because it's very gentle on your skin. It doesn't give you cuts. It doesn't you know, it helps to minimize ingrown hair. Like it won't obviously stop it, but it just reduces ingrown hair. That's what I have seen. And yeah, it's a good razor. And yeah, actually I don't use this only for bikini, I use it all over my body, so I don't keep separate razors. Ideally you should, but I don't know, I don't. But yeah, so I just use this everywhere, so it's really good. It's gentle on your skin, and yeah, it doesn't give you any skin irritation or anything of that sort. The Nykaa Pink Summer Sale, I restock my nail remover pads. This is from Color Bar on the go. So this is really very handy. I absolutely love it. That's how it looks. So just basically you get these nail removing wipes. It's very convenient. You can just travel with this, or at home also, just very convenient. You can change nail paints quickly, and yeah, it's really good. They have a couple of variants in it. I love this one, and yeah, amazing. And obviously none of my skincare beauty favorites can be complete without my Sol de Janeiro Boom Boom cream. Oh my god, I love this. This smells heavenly, is not a word. Oh my god, I can just dig into this jar. It's so good, so hydrating. If you haven't tried it, just like get it. Sale, no sale, this is worth every penny. It's beautiful. So yeah, if you think this is really expensive and you can't buy it, then go for the Plum vanilla and caramel body lotion. That also smells amazing. I don't have it. I have like my cousin had it, and I've tried it at her place, but it smells like almost similar to this Sol de Janeiro one. So yeah, if you don't have budget for this, get that. I'm actually planning to get the Plum vanilla and caramel one, because I can use that every day, because this I just use it sparingly and on special occasions or important days. So I'm going to get that and use it regularly, and I might also get another refill of this just to use on special days. I think the lighting is really very harsh and very dirty right now, very uneven. So yeah, that was it for the Nykaa Pink Summer Sale. I hope you all enjoyed it. Please check my part 2. I will leave it in the description box below or on the cards, so don't forget that. And as always, I'll be linking all the products in the description box below, so you can check it out. And yeah, let me know what are you buying from the summer sale. I am excited, and let me know, so even I have new ideas what I can try, because I love trying out new products. And Nykaa Pink Summer Sale and the Pink Friday sale, those two sales are the major sales, and I love to, you know, buy things at that time, because you know the products are at the cheaper price, so it makes sense to buy when these sales are on. So yeah, let me know what else should I try. That's it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed it. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a big thumbs up. I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.